Hi there, my name is Iona and welcome to my channel. You want to subscribe so you can have access to all my content in one convenient place. Now, we all get busy with our daily lives, so you want to ring that notification button so you can be reminded of new content. Like and love my channel to help me grow, and be sure to leave a comment below if this video was helpful or if there's something you would like to see me do more of. So without any further delay. Hi guys, welcome to my studio. Office. It's been such a crazy past 2 weeks here at work in my career in the film industry, and this week is still going to be much more. And that means early hours and late nights, but here in the sunny city of Cape Town, South Africa, the sun starts rising just before 5 a.m. and it sets just past 8 p.m. So lovely. I can see that I've been in the office sketching away a pen, and guys, it's not the same as pencil. You really need to train your hand. There's a lot of little different things that you'll get to know, but I don't want to spoil that because that's for a different video. For now, I am just a video of what my experience has been like so far. So you're going to see a lot of little notes and scribbling. Yes, let's just say the tutorial videos or the YouTube videos that I've been watching, it all seems easy. Like I've said in the pencil sketches, these videos are to prepare you for the tutorials, so just to get your hand practiced at that specific medium, and it definitely is different. So I suppose because I'm pressed for time in my career, I might have gotten a little bit frustrated with the pen, but we all will. So this is for all of you guys who try out new mediums. I'm right here with you. I'm doing it myself as well, so I'm not gonna lie to you and say, yo, oh, this is easy. For some of you it might be, for some of you it won't. I know I got frustrated, but I think it's mainly because I'm in a rush. So rather take your time on this. Right, I have to get back to work, my career work, as I've got a few people I need to make sure they get on set safely. I also still need to make some training videos for the company itself. So I am going to be practicing a little bit of more pen here at work for this week. Guys, just note, I only have about half an hour a day lunchtime art, so be a lookout for that on my TikTok and Instagram pages. Call it lunchtime art, and enjoy.
is burning inside me. It's burning. My heart is catching fire. I just feel so fine with this fire, this fire, this fire, this fire.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the process. Please leave a comment below if you liked it. Remember to subscribe for more content and ring that bell to get a reminder of new content. Just go ahead and do it anyway. And I will see you next Tuesday. Bye!